All right, 10-minute offense. Today we're gonna do yellow. This video will give you the opportunity to play fast, play physical, and know exactly what you need to be doing with your alignment, your assignment, and your finish. We want you to be confident in what you do, and we want you to be decisive. And this is the first step into that. So for yellow, if we were to go take a poll of receivers and quarterbacks, which is your favorite play? I think this one would probably win out. This is yellow. Okay, so we're just going to do the shaka here. We're just going to say yellow. And really, it has an answer for everything. It's part of our drop back game, which means the quarterback has a full field progression, taking a three-step drop. But it has answers for everything and is incredibly explosive for us. So this is what it looks like out of doubles. So this would be doubles, yellow. Um, we start the progression at the X, who's going to run a mandatory outside release. Then we're going to have the H run a speed out. Okay, so that's a speed out. We're just going to go directly to the sideline, a banana speed out, gradually gaining yards as you go to the point where you're at the sideline at 5 yards. So it should be about 5 yards deep by the time you get to the sideline. All right, so the quarterback's going to look here and he's going to go pre-snap. He's going to look at this X go, right? And if the answer is yes, can you do it? Do you have a stud versus a dud, or is this something where we can just they're going press coverage, there's no safety top over help. Let's take it and let's go with it. And that's you're going to see some of the videos that we show are going to definitely do that. All right, if the answer is no on that, you're going to progress to the Y. Okay, the Y's job is to get 22 yards to the opposite hash. All right, and we got to get under the second defender, over the third defender. So this is the second, this is the third. We should probably be a little bit under the second, a little bit tighter here, right? So we want to get under the second, over the third, and we're getting to that landmark 22 yards to the opposite hash. All right, you're looking for that ball hot. All right, that means the ball could come in at any point in time. As soon as you find yourself in open space, that ball can come zooming right in there towards you. Something we've never really got to be able to do on this is we want you to sit in an open zone. If the open zone's open, there's an open zone in the middle of the field, take it, man. Never run through open grass. So we sit in that open zone, make yourself big, show your hands to the quarterback, and um, we'll take what the offense gives us or what the defense gives us that way. Because if that's open, that means that there's a safety over here waiting for you, right? And so if you keep running, you're going to run yourself into coverage. All right. So if the Y is not open, then the quarterback is going to quickly go to this curl flat combo. Also, something that we have underutilized in our offense. We're going to see cover 4 and cover 3 more than any other coverage that we're going to see throughout the year. Last year, teams ran this over 50% of the time against us. The curl flat is going to win against absolutely everything. What we want to do is a 12-yard curl. And I'm going to tell you to run a post curl. Okay, the reason for a post curl is we want you to be inside the numbers. We want you to start outside the numbers, which is the blue line on our field, and we want you to end inside the numbers. If you look and see the zones, that is going to be a hole in the zone. If you just run a 12-yard curl in front of the defender, they're going to be able to rally that pretty quick. All right, so we want you to run a 12-yard post curl in the middle of the um, hole in the zone. In this case, is a cover 3, so we want you to just run right in here, right inside this corner's hip, right in that zone there. If it's cover 4, if there's a second safety right here, then you're going to run in that middle zone right there in between the corner and the safety. Okay, so it's a post curl, sit in the open space at 12 yards, and the F is going to run a check to this middle linebacker, and he's going to swing. You've got lots of blitz answers on this. Maybe this is why the quarterbacks like it so much. If we're blitzing from this weak side here, that H is going to be wide open on the out. Okay, that's your hot. If they blitz on the middle here, the Y should be open, right? They're vacating the middle and the Y should be open. That's why we tell you to look hot. And also you have the F going to the sideline. So on this side, if they're blitzing from this side, the H is your hot. On this side, if they're blitzing, you're going to look Y to F, probably the Y, because that's where they're going to be blitzing from. Let's look at some videos of this. We're going to start with some goes. Okay, I'm going to go through them pretty quick. This is something that it gives us a good go answer. There's some security there in that if the go is not open, the Y should be crossing, right? We're going to talk a little bit about what that Y route looks like. Here's another go. Okay, we just see that they're squatting pretty hard on that flat route, and that's a long way for the safety to go. Okay, so in this case right here, we see that they look like they're running 1, 2, 3, 4 deep. Okay, but this guy's going to jump the front here, and then the safety has to come all the way to the sideline to get to that go. And that's really tough with all that action happening in front of them. Okay, so now we're going to get into some of the Y routes here. Okay, we see that this guy's plan, and Hansworth will do this a lot. They play super duper off of the coverage, right? And so that's a really tough one to break. Okay. So he doesn't like that. So he's going to switch over to this side here. We swing the F to this side. Okay. So now he's going to stare down that Y. All right. If the Y is open, take it. If not, you're going to progress to the curl flat concept. We see right here that this Y is running to this open space right here. And so we know that he's going to be open because that middle linebacker is dropping up and they've got these two guys are going hard down to the flat on this side. So we're throwing to open space here, and the Y does a great job of getting open space. Once you get to this point right here, we can flatten it, right? We can flatten it down towards this open grass right here. Okay, but we do a great job here of just getting the ball in the open space, throwing the ball to the open space. All right, we see another Y right here. Great job. Great job of just getting it vertical. We run this play out of so many different formations. Right now, this is missile exit yellow, right? Which is something that a lot of you won't be running at the younger grades. But so we would have the H is running the go and the F is running to the flat and the X is going across. Now the X has got the flat on that side. So no matter what we do, we're always going to have guys in the same spot. Okay, we see the Y right here, and then that's covered right there. The Y is looking across, and he's seeing that this guy is coming up to cover this hole in the zone right here with probably his eyes on the H, but he's covering that zone right there. So that leaves a gigantic hole in the middle of the field. The Y, super duper smart, great football intelligence. He gets vertical, and the quarterback makes a fantastic throw right into the open hole in the zone. And we're able to hit that right up the middle based on a great Y adjustment. Again, right now we're calling this one low red zone. Okay, so we're running kind of to the open space, which probably crossed the face on that second defender there, right? Not the greatest route, but he gets to the open hole. So right now we should be going in front and then climbing up over top of this guy. But he's just running right now at this point of the field. He's just running that open hole in the zone. It makes a great catch there for a touchdown. And then the running back here. So we're looking at the go. We see press coverage, safety top over help. The go is off, right? So now we're just going to progress to the Y. Okay, again, we're press coverage on that, right? Which should be great against this route, but he's covered pretty good. Wow, I keep doing that. Okay, so we see that this Y is covered. Y, you cannot be rerouted on this play. So you need to dip and rip. Okay, you need to make sure that you're physical with those defenders, not letting yourself get knocked off that route. You are the route on this play. It's named after you. Y cross, yellow, right? Okay, so we should, right now, this Z converts to a post because it's press coverage. We're not going to be doing that unless we tag it. But we're looking right here, and that is covered. That is covered. And so then we're going to get it out to that running back in the curl flat concept. And this is what happens when you check it down, right? When your eyes, right now, the quarterback does this with his eyes, right? He sells this whole thing with his eyes, right? He's looking deep and then he adjusts down. This is the whole progression base. So you see him go to the X, no. Then he goes over to the Y, no. Looks at the curl, no. Progresses down to the F. Unbelievable job hitting that progression, getting the ball to the playmaker in space for a touchdown. Okay, and then finally, last play here. See that right now with this coverage right here, we have this guy who's getting over pretty good on that X. Okay, so we're gonna go stare down that Y. No dice. Sees heavy blitz up the middle, right? Anytime you're gonna get that heavy blitz, that H is gonna be open. Oh, no heavy blitz. We do have one off the edge though. And he knows that because that's coming off the edge, that's going to be wide open, right? Gets it, get pressure off the edge. You can throw it right out to that H, right? Excellent job getting the ball, getting upfield for a first down. And that's yellow. Great play. One of your favorites. Oh, we got one more to the H. And a great job by the H getting upfield there. It's the F because we're an empty. That's yellow.